In the vast oceans of our world, the Philippine archipelago is very blessed. 82% of our country is composed of ocean water. Though we are divided by geography, we are all connected by the sea. We are enchanted by the sun covers above, but there is also beauty hidden underneath. Don your diving gears and let's plunge into the depths as Anilao, Batangas catches your breath. Anilao, Batangas is the birthplace of Philippine scuba diving. Anilao hails from the abundance of majestic aquatic treasures, which is why it is called the Mecca of macrofauna, which are the favorite subjects of macro photographers. Anilao, being the center of marine biodiversity, is a place of extraordinary marine life, such as the hairy frogfish. The hairy frogfish is a type of fish that's covered in spines. These spines, which resemble strands of hair, allow the marine animal to camouflage itself against coral and seaweed. The hairy frogfish can also change its color to blend in with its surroundings. These fish don't swim. Instead, they walk on their wide fins along the seafloor. Hairy frogfish have a special extra long spine on their dorsal fins that looks like a worm. By waving this bait back and forth in front of their mouths, they can lure a target within striking distance. The mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is seen to be highly intelligent, especially towards its predators. The octopus learns which animals bother their predators and take on that form to drive away potential danger. There are many strange ocean creatures that can camouflage, but in all of marine life, only the mimic octopus and its close relative, the wonderpus, are the one known to actively imitate several other marine species. They can imitate over 15 different marine animals, notably the venomous ones.
Zebra crab, a small crab with unique shaped carapace, with stripes of dark brown, red, and white, giving the look of a zebra. Nudibranch, Mariona, is in fact a soft-bodied sea slug and a shellless gastropod, mollusk inhabiting most of the world's marine ocean.
The devil scorpionfish is a species of venomous marine ray finned fish belong to the family of Scorpaenidae. The scorpionfishes, it has venomous spines and lives in the tropical Indian and Pacific Oceans as well as in the Red Sea. It is a bottom-dwelling predator that relies on its camouflage to catch passing prey. The rough-snout ghost pipefish is a species of ghost pipefish from the family Solenostomidae. It is an Indo-Pacific species which occurs from the Red Sea east to Japan and Australia. It occurs over algal rubble reefs and sandy seabeds, often below depths of 10 meters. They are largely pelagic until they settle on substrate to breed.
The flamboyant cuttlefish, or Metacephia pfefferi. The flamboyant cuttlefish is one of 3 known venomous cephalopod species and is the only known venomous cuttlefish species. When threatened, the flamboyant cuttlefish is able to release a cloud of ink to confuse predators and safely escape from danger. Unlike other cephalopods, the flamboyant cuttlefish is not nocturnal and frequently hunts in the daytime. Next is the clown frogfish, or Antinarius macullatus. It is a type of anglerfish, have a textured exterior, and that aids in their camouflage. While they do not have scales, their amazing ability to camouflage themselves serves as protection from predators. Frogfish vary in color and often have unique spines or bumps that change with their surroundings.
The next is Pygm Squid. Pygm squid are technically not squid, although they closely resemble them. Instead, they fall in the genus Edesipeus. Very little is unknown of their habits and is found in Tanzania alongside the grass beds in the shallows, probably undescribed. These specimens found in Tanzania differ from the bobtail squid we have found in other areas of Tanzania, in that they don't appear to have light-emitting organs. They resemble images of Edesipeus pygmaeus, also known as the two-toned pygmy squid, but the head appears to taper more to a point. Additionally, this species is not known from the western Indian Ocean. They do not appear to resemble Idiocypius minimus either, which was described in Mozambique. This species from Tanzania, which may be undescribed, seem to grow around 2.5 to 3 cm in length. The next is bobtail squid. Bobtail squid are also known as dumpling squid. They are exceptionally cute looking little cephalopods and are fascinating to watch. They are in the order Cephalidae and are closely related to cuttlefish, although they are no cuttle bone. All bobtail squid are small and range in size from 1 cm to 8 cm in length. The specimen in the images are approximately 2.5 cm in length. As can be seen, the body is a light translucent brown color with cellular darker brown marks covering the entire body. They have 8 arms with suckers on them and 2 tentacles, which are used for grabbing prey. These contain a large number of tentacles concentrated on the ends to hold the prey. The eye is proportionally large, giving them very good night vision. Bobtail squid are known to eat small crustaceans. In all probability, they feed in similar fashion to normal squid. They start rapidly at their prey and seize it with their tentacles. The specimens have all either been observed swimming just above the substrate, roughly 10 cm from the bottom, and appear to be hunting. On having light put on them, they generally head from the sand and dig themselves into the sand. Only on 2 occasions have we seen them go under an overhang to hide, and both these overhangs had sand under them.
Next is electric clam or Tinoids ales. It's a species of saltwater clam, a marine bivalve mollusk in the family of Limidae. It is known by the names of electric flame scallop, disco scallop, electric clam, and disco clam. The only bivalve known to have light displays. It is soft, tissues, flashes like a disco ball. This clam normally situates itself on overhangs or crevices, obviously for protection. The lightning effect is more visible in the dark. The next fauna that found in Anilao, Batangas is the common octopus. The common octopus is a species that has been evaluated and observed the most thorough virus form of research studies. They are very smart animals and they have been known to do a variety of extraordinary things. For example, they are able to tell how bright an object is, to distinguish different shapes, and to determine the size of the object. They also have great memories for being able to tell patterns that are placed before them.
Matuti octopus. Normally, Octopus matuti are dubbed orange, cream, brown in color with black papillae over each eye. When alarmed, they may change color dramatically to maroon stripes over white background along the body and arms. A pair of iridescent blue rings act as false eye spot to scare potential predator. You can find it occurs in coral reefs, coral rubble, and sand habitats from shallow waters to at least 50 meters deep. Appears to feed primarily on shellfish and hermit crabs, both for which it drills through the shell, injecting a paralytic saliva before extracting the paralyzed prey. The female lays small eggs along branching strings. The young are thought to be platonic, accounting for its wide distribution throughout southern Pacific. Wanderpus. Wanderpus photogenicus. The Wanderpus octopus is a small-bodied species of octopus distinct white and rusty brown coloration. Wanderpus, from German Wunder, meaning a marvel or wonder. Due to appearance and behavior of the Wanderpus, it is frequently confused with the close relative, the mimic octopus. A sunken floating casino. Very colorful and healthy reefs. Anilao has some unique hard and soft coral forest. Anilao is a home of 319 coral species, including
Heteractis magnifica has the basic morphology of most anemones, living its entire life in the polyp form, looking like a cylindrical column with tentacles. This species has a sticky foot on the pedal disc and oral disc, which contains the mouth and the surrounding tentacles. Heteractis magnifica is the second largest in size of all sea anemones. Also, Heteractis magnifica, also known by the common names magnificent sea anemone, or Retieri anemone, the species of sea anemone belonging to the Stichodactyla family, native to the Indo-Pacific area. The brown tube sponge is a simple form of simple animal, and it has a scientific name of Plisina fistularis. Through small holes in its body wall, the sponge draws in a water from which it extracts food and oxygen. Then the sponge pushes the water out of the large opening in its top. Brown tube sponge are the largest that small fish can live inside their hollow core. In addition, the sponge feeds by the filtering water through their body wall and by trapping fragments of food such as algae, plankton, dead organic material, and the bacteria to consume. Next on our list is Montipora. Montipora is a genus of scleractinian corals in the phylum Cnidaria. Members of the genus Montipora may exhibit many different growth morphologies.
Next is brain corals. Brain corals are cerebral-looking organisms that do not have brains, but can grow to be 6 feet tall and live up to 900 years. This can be found in the Atlantic, Caribbean, and Pacific Ocean. The foundation of coral reefs are built by brain corals, which grow very slowly but produce incredibly robust structures. They are known as massive growth type corals. Massive corals grow slowly, but once they do, they provide excellent protection to the marine environment and coastlines. During storm events, coral reefs can absorb up to 97% of the wave energy, and brain corals play an important role in this function. And the last one is the barrel sponge. The barrel sponge, scientifically known as Cystospongia muta, is a marine species found in the tropical areas of the Atlantic Ocean. Barrel sponges, one of the largest species of sponge, can grow to be several meters in diameter. Barrel sponges play a vital ecological role. It enhances water clarity, promotes reef regeneration, and serves as a home for other invertebrates, benthic fish, and bacteria. It is essential to the food chain and recycles nutrients for all reef organisms.